Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Ringo.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Dhampur Sugar Mills Limited. This particular company is in the process of manufacturing and selling sugar, power and chemicals. Ace investor Dalikanna has invested in this particular stock. That is special information that I would like to give it to you. And right now you're watching the monthly technical chart of the stock, and this is the historical price chart. Each candle here represents 1 month, and these are all the technical indicators that I deployed on the stock for technical analysis, and these are the graphs generated by these technical indicators. Regarding data for technical analysis, we have data since 2009 onwards up to 2017 November 21st. Okay guys, now if you look at the historical price path pattern, as the data I'm having since 2000 September 2015 onwards, the stock started moving in the upward direction, consistently making new highs. New high 2, 3, 4, and it is the trend is moving in the upward direction. And if you look this at this red candle here, this candle represents this November month 2017 month, and in this month this stock is going, went down so far, and it started with 322, and today it is trading at 291, nearly 30 rupees it lost. But if you look at the historical price path pattern of the stock since 2015, that means in the 2 years 10 months, consistently the stock had been moving in upward direction, consistently making new highs. And you can see all these green candles here, and after making a new high it goes for a consolidation, new high consolidation, new high consolidation, and all these things. Okay, so and fundamentals of the stock are strong, and when it comes to the market demand, whatever this goods, this commodities this particular company is dealing with, sugar, power and chemicals, all three have huge demand in the market. So from that side it is okay, and from technically we will see actually what is in store regarding the stock. Okay, with respect to the stock, and the stock had already crossed its 20 and 50 day moving average, and it is right now under the influence of positive super trend mode. Very good. Relative strength of the stock right now is going down. Yeah, it is above the midpoint and below the top line. It's so we can take this to RSI as an average mode, and direction strength of the stock is okay, and both positive and negative direction lines are diverging. Okay, thumbs up signal. And stochastics is okay, it's playing on top of the 80 line, and positive line, past line is on top of the slow line. That's good. Price volume change, okay, now it is changing. There is a, you can see the nice slope there. Okay, it is increasing. Please focus on the crosshairs, and I am just trying to raise the crosshairs so that you can clearly see the slope there. Okay, so it is rising, and momentum is going down. Clearly you can see that, and balance of power and LRA both are in sync with each other, and they are telling us that the stock is in bullish phase right now. Yeah, that's true. But the stock is not at this moment, it's not in a good this thing trend. That's what I can say at the moment. If you look at the LRA histogram bars, you can clearly see that there is a little bit of volatility in the stock. When it comes to the bullish and bearish phases, actually sometimes the bearish phase is increasing and sometimes the bullish phase is increasing, and sometimes the histogram length itself is going down. So you can clearly see that whenever the strength of the stock is going down, then the histogram bar is also goes down at that moment, and you can and even the momentum goes down, then also goes down, then also histogram length of the bar goes down. So all these things, if you clearly look at the LRA histogram bars, you can say that the stock is not exactly trending upwards. It is like it is struggling, but it is slightly, it is somehow moving in upward direction. That is there. So there are so many valleys before it has to cross before it reaches the peaks. It reaches the peak. Okay, so that sort of thing is there. So this it is like a, we can say, okay, we will see that what is the performance of the stock in 2017 itself. Yeah, I think this is, yeah, January 2017. The stock was trading at 135, and today it is trading at 291 after 11 months, after nearly 10 months. 135, okay, 291, nearly there 65, and that 90, okay, nearly 150 rupees approximately profit per share this stock has given to its investors. That's really very good performance of the stock in the last 1 year. Mm, but again, this stock at this moment is, just because of the price, this thing. It's, if you look at the price of the price of the stock, it is going down in this month. Maybe because of that, the strength and momentum are not are in sync with the decreasing price, whereas direction strength of the stock is a little bit okay, and the stochastic is also okay. But the point is, if you look at the historical price path pattern of the stock, you can clearly see that there is a significant pattern that the stock is moving in the upward direction. That the trend is there. Trend clearly shows that the stock is rising. No matter how many times it has to fall down, that is a different case altogether. But it is rising. Okay, then even slowly also it is rising. uh, so, and again, the demand, we can clearly see in the market there is demand for its products. Whatever it is manufacturing and selling, there is demand for its products. And the fundamentals of this company are strong. So all these things are, if we consider all these things, then we can clearly say, though the technical indicators at the moment are down a little bit, but we can still recommend the stock for long-term investment. So that is the conclusion, guys. If you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.